How to change name on Oculus app. Hi everyone, this is Suzanne from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, open your MetaQuest app, which is the Oculus application. Now tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner right here. Okay, now tap on your name. Now tap on the edit icon, which is around your profile picture. Now wait for a while. Then tap on name over here. Now you can see that in my case I'm not able to change my name right now because I've already changed it in the last 60 days. So you can change your name or edit your name by following these steps. You can also change the order of your name if you wish. So that's all you can do in order to change your name on Oculus application. And that was it for today. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. At last, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.